Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will tell you how to make a fire text effect like this. At the end of this video you will be able to create this fire text effect yourself. So let's start. File, new, 1280 and 720 pixels. Okay. Fill black color with paint bucket tool. Color must be black. Select the color from here. Fill it. Select horizontal type tool. Select white color from here. Click here and write your text. Do not forget the size of the text which you write here. Select move tool, bring it in the middle. Filter, distort, polar coordinates, okay. Polar to rectangular, okay. Filter, stylize, vent from the right, okay. Filter, vent, or you can also press Ctrl F from the keyboard, which is the shortcut of this. Now change the direction. Filter, stylize, vent from the left, okay. Press Ctrl F from the keyboard once again. Image rotation, this one. Filter, vent, press Ctrl F. Filter, stylize, vent from the right, okay. Press Ctrl F from the keyboard. Image rotation, this one. Filter, distort, polar coordinates, rectangular to polar, okay. Image mode, grayscale, flatten, discard. Image mode, indexed color. Image mode, color table. Select black body from here, okay. Image mode, RGB color. Select black color by clicking here. Select horizontal type tool. Click here and write your text. Write the text with the same font and with the same size. Select move tool. Set this in the middle, or you can fix this yourself. Press Ctrl T and then fix this. If you are new in this channel, do not forget to subscribe.